Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today I'm going to start my slime collection. So, I am going to show you this blueberry slime that I made. It was my very first slime. And I made this green apple slime. And I'm going to show you this banana slime. It does kind of like mustard-like, but I still call it banana, so yeah. And I made this dark red slime. Yep. I named it after this candle that has the exact same color as this one. So that's why I call it Frost Cranberry Slime. And yeah. And I also want to show you guys my my hot pink slime. It was supposed to be lavender, but it turned into hot pink. So, and I have this peach slime. And I'm going to show you guys my pink bubble slime. It's kind of non-pink, but I still call it pink bubble slime, even though it's not pink. And I made this peach slime. You may see some glitter, like some blue, white glitter kind of. I mixed it in with my blue glitter slime. So, yeah. And I'm also going to show you my emerald green slime. It's one of my favorites. It's kind of similar to this emerald green slime because I have a marker that says the color of emerald green slime. Well, emerald. And it looks the exact same color to it, like similar. So that's why I call it like that. So, yeah. So these are all of my slimes. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like my slimes. So yeah, so I hope you subscribe and leave a comment down below if you like my slimes and which color do you like and what is your favorite color. So bye, see you in my next video.